Hello class, hope you all will be fine at home. So today we are going to start with the difference in the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction that we have completed. A quick summary with the difference between the two. Asexual reproduction, uniparental where one parent is involved, biparental where two parents are involved. Over here from one parent only the progeny can be formed, as we have seen in binary fission, fragmentation, budding. So these all are the process types of the asexual reproduction where the uniparental is there. Uni means one and bi means two. Two parents are involved. Okay. Uniparental, over here the question is there that amoeba is immortal. Why? Because their budding is occurring. Okay. So somehow the parent body is present in the progeny every time, and that is why immortal means which never dies. So that is why amoeba is immortal. Okay. Next we come to in asexual reproduction, gametes are not involved. Over here gametes are involved. Okay. Formation of gamete by the process of meiosis. Okay, and that is why the chromosome number is always maintained in the progeny from generation to generation. Okay. Next, mitotic division. As mitotic division occurs, and so over here parent body, माइटोटिक में क्या होता है, क्रोमोसोम नंबर में रिडक्शन नहीं होता है, क्योंकि माइटोटिक क्या है, माइटोटिक इज एन इक्वेशनल डिविजन. इक्वेशनल डिविजन मींस वेयर हैप्लॉइड नंबर इज गिविंग राइज टू अ हैप्लॉइड नंबर एंड अ डिप्लॉइड नंबर इज गिविंग राइज टू अ डिप्लॉइड नंबर. So over here mitotic division is occurring over here in the asexual reproduction, and meiotic division, meiosis is occurring in the sexual reproduction. That is why variation is occurring due to crossing over. Do you remember meiosis, prophase, LZPD square? So in Pachytene stage, what is occurring? The crossing over is occurring, and that is why there is a variation. Next, somatic cells are involved. As in the somatic cells only, mitotic division is occurring, and which is leading to asexual reproduction. Next, over here germ cells are involved, gonads are involved, reproductive organs are involved, where in the specialized organ meiosis is occurring. Okay. Next, over here no variation is there as no crossing over is there. So no variation, identical clone, that is why we call them as clone. An individual is called as ramets. So no variation. Over here variation is occurring because of meiosis, crossing over occurring at the Pachytene stage, and that is why in this variation is there. All the four from one diploid organism, four haploid are formed, and these all four are with the variation, all four are different. Okay. Next, the rate of reproduction is faster, rate of reproduction is slower in sexual reproduction. This is an advantage to with the asexual reproduction, advantage, and it is a disadvantage with the sexual reproduction, as it has to see with the all the condition. Biparental is there, meiosis has to occur over here. That is why the lower organism generally reproduce faster, and it is a great advantage to them. And what is the disadvantage? No variation is occurring. Okay, so it has one advantage and one disadvantage to both of them. Next is budding and fragmentation. Budding and fragmentation is the process in the asexual reproduction. Next, it is found in the higher plant, and gametes are formed in the sexual reproduction. Gametes are formed by the process of meiosis. Okay, over here it is generally found in the lower invertebrates and chordates, and it is generally found in the higher plants and animals. I hope so this difference must be helpful to you all. So any query is there, most welcome. Thank you class.